Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2023 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12,000 right now. Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Cancer. 11th house deal with your gains, your elder siblings, your friend circle, your professional network circle, your earnings, your gains in bulk in form of money is seen from 11th house. Your community based thinking is also seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes are also seen from 11th house, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes are also seen from 11th house. 12th house deal with losses, expenses, spirituality, isolation, your foreign settlements, and all the matter related to out of the world is seen from 12th house. Right now there are many planets are present in your 12th house, so we can expect you may have some gain in the form of money in the month of August from foreign land if you have any connection related to foreign land, because as we will discuss further about other planets you will realize why I am saying this. So right now your 12th house means foreign settlements lord and foreign connection lord is moving in your 11th house. 11th house, as we discussed previously, deal with your gains, your money matters, so we can expect you may have some gain related to money from foreign land. Also, if your elder siblings have some connection from foreign land and if they are living in some foreign country, so we can expect positive result regarding them, because sun, whenever sun is moving in any house, it will illuminate the significance of that house. And right now sun is moving in your elder siblings house and your gains house, so we can expect you may have some gains and good result regarding sun in the month of August, especially till 17th of August, because sun will stay in your 11th house till 17th of August. After 17th of August, sun will move to your 12th house in its own sign, means in Leo sign. After 17th of August, you need to be very careful regarding your expenditure, your losses, your foreign settlement related matters, and your health, because 12th house also deal with treatment and medical treatment, hospitalization. And right now your ascendant lord means Mercury is also moving in your 12th house and about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 12th house on 24th August 2023. So you need to be careful after 17th of August regarding your health, your foreign settlement related matters, your elder siblings health, your losses, and your expenditures. Try to make a to-do list and expenditure list in the month of August, so you will able to save more money in the month of August, because there are chances you will spend a lot in the month of August, especially after 17th of August. So we can expect these results from sun in the month of August for all the Virgo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mercury controls your first house and your 10th house, and Mercury is very important planet for you people, because Mercury is your ascendant lord. First house deal with you, your personality, your general health, all the aspects of your life. Means first house is very important house amongst all the house, because first house is your ascendant, and right now ascendant lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with your work environment, nature of your work, your authority at your work, your superiors, your colleague, your authority at your work, how fame you will have is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, how up you can go in your career is seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house lord and your ascendant lord is moving in your 12th house, and Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion on 24th August 2023 in your 12th house. So as we discussed previously in sun section, you need to be very careful regarding your health related matters and your personality related matters and your expenditures in the month of August, especially after 17th of August. Mercury also controls your 10th house. If you have any connection related to foreign settlement regarding your work and your earnings is coming from foreign land and your work is related to export and import, then we can expect positive result regarding you people, especially after 17th of August. But if you don't have any connection to foreign land related to your work, then you need to be careful regarding your work related matter as well, especially after 17th of August, because there are chances you may lose something in your workplace. We can expect you may have some disturbance at your workplace in the month of August, especially after 17th of August, because 6th, 8th and 12th house is considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow these house give problem, disturbance and issues in your life. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of August, especially after 24th of August. You need to be very careful regarding your work related matters, because Your 10th house lord will be in retrograde motion in after 24th of August. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo Ascendant people from Mercury. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your ninth house. And right now Venus is moving in your 12th house in its retrograde motion, as we discussed previously in last month prediction video. Second house deal with your family lineage, your family savings, your family's money, your saving, your ornament. How much ornament do you have? How much saving do you have is seen from second house. Your speech, your food intake habit is also seen from second house. Your loved ones along with fifth house is also seen from second house. Your family teachings is also seen from second house. Ninth house deal with your father, teachings of your father, your teachers, your elder, your mentors, your coaches, your legal advisors, your lawyers, your travel related matter, especially long distance travel is seen from ninth house. Your religious related matter is seen from ninth house. Your fortune means luck related matter is seen from ninth house. All of these matter is seen from ninth house, and right now your ninth house and second house lord is moving in retrograde motion in your 12th house. So as we discussed previously in sun section, if you have any connection to foreign land, means if you are trying to move foreign land, or one of your family member may live to foreign land, or your father is living in foreign land, so we can expect you may have good result regarding your father's health and all the matters related to your family and money matter from foreign land. If you don't have any connection related to foreign land, so you need to be very careful in the month of August regarding your family's member related health, because your second house lord is moving in 12th house, and as we discussed previously, 12th house also deal with medical treatment losses. Also your house of money means house of saving is also moving in your 12th house, so you may lose a lot of money. As we discussed in some section, you may expend a lot in the month of August, because Ketu is also moving in your second house from last year March 2022, and Ketu doesn't like to be saving. Ketu don't like to save money. Ketu want to let it go, and Ketu want you to be free. So we can expect you are facing many disturbance, many problems regarding your money related matter from last year and your saving, because Ketu are creating disturbance in your second house from last year. But right now your second house lord is moving in the house of loss and house of expense. So you need to be very careful regarding your family members related health and your expenditure. Also, as we discussed, ninth house lord is moving 12th house. If you are about to travel some foreign land, try to go on trip, so we can expect good results regarding your travel related matters and for your family as well in the month of August. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of August for all the Virgo ascendant people. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Virgo ascendant people, moon controls your 11th house, and right now moon is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Pisces. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of August, and on the basis of 6th August we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon for every house in single video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem, difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, disturbance and issues are always associated with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days we can also expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulty in our life. And especially problem will come from the house significance through which the moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Mars controls your 8th house and your 3rd house, and right now Mars is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Leo. 3rd house deal with your communication skills, your short distance travel, your efforts, your cousins, your neighbors, your childhood friends. And especially your communication skills is seen from 3rd house. All type of communication is seen from 3rd house, either it's as a verbal communication or written communication, or emailing, texting also is seen from 3rd house. And your 8th house will deal with your longevity, your sudden events, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your transformations in life, your secret activities is seen from 8th house, your extramarital affairs and your secret affairs. Your sex life is also seen from 12th house. Your sexually transmitted diseases is also seen from 8th house. Your research studies, your all the hidden things you want to search is seen from 8th house. So right now your 8th house lord and 3rd house lord is moving in your 12th house, and Mars will stay in your 12th house till 19th of August. After 19th of August, Mars will move to your first house in the sign of Virgo. So right now your 8th house lord is moving in your 12th house, and Mars is taking Rahu's energy in your 12th house. So as an aspect, you may have to suddenly go on a trip, and suddenly things will happen in your life, especially till 19th of August. Because one thing I forgot to mention is that 8th house also represents sudden events and sudden positive events and sudden negative events. But right now your 8th house lord is moving in your 12th house. But one thing here is very important to discuss is that one malefic house lord is present in another malefic house lord, and then negative cancels each other. So and when two negative combines each other, it will cancel it out, means it will create a positive situation for you people. So we can expect it may create a positive situation for you people till 19th of August. So right now your 8th house and 3rd house lord is moving in your 12th house. So you need to be very careful regarding your sudden events, about your losses, about expenditures and your health related matters. Because as we discussed previously, Rahu is also moving in your 8th house from last year March 2022. But you don't need to worry a lot in the month of August, because Jupiter is sitting in your 8th house, and from 8th house expecting your 12th house from his 5th aspect. So we can expect you may have some relief. You may get the disturbance, but Jupiter will support you, and Jupiter will somehow manage to stable you in the month of August. If you have any disturbance and sudden event in the month of August, if you have any sudden negative event in the month of August, so we can expect these results from Mars in the month of August. Mars also controls your 3rd house. 3rd house, as we discussed previously, 3rd house deal with short distance travel, your efforts, your communication skill. And right now your 3rd house lord is moving in your 12th house. There are many planets are moving in your 12th house right now. If we summarize all the prediction for you people in the month of August from all the planets, we can say you need to be very careful regarding your money related matters, your health related matters, your father's health, and especially your losses and at your workplace and sudden events. So we can expect these results from all the planets. But as we discussed previously in sun section, till 17th of August you may have some gains related to money from 17th of August, because sun is moving in your 11th house. Also, I forgot to mention one thing is that 12th house also deal with donation. So you may donate a lot in the month of August, because many planets in 2nd house lord, money lord, is also moving in your 12th house. So we can expect you will donate a lot money in the month of August if you are about to donate some money, because your lord of money is moving in your house of losses and house of donation. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of August. We will have 3 major astrological events in the month of August. As we discussed previously, sun will move from your 11th house to your 12th house on 17th August in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars will move from your 12th house to your first house, mean in your ascendant, after 19th of August in the sign of Virgo. Third and most important astrological event is that Mercury is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 12th house on 24th August 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in our yearly prediction videos in detail for the whole year of 2023. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of August 2023 for all the Virgo ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz, take care.